Think about adding a sauna to your home. Before you decide between indoor or outdoor, there are 3 crucial things you need to know. Space requirements. For an outdoor sauna, you'll need a flat, level foundation that can handle the weight. We're talking about proper drainage and stability. Inside, you might have more options than you think. That unused soaking tub, a spare bedroom, or even a large closet could work. But remember, indoor saunas need proper ventilation and access to electrical, so not every space will cut it. Installation costs. Outdoor saunas typically require foundation work, weatherproofing, and potentially longer electrical runs from your house. Indoor installations might save on foundation costs, but you could face expenses for ventilation systems, moisture barriers, and reinforcing floors. Get quotes for both options. The price difference might surprise you. Year-round usage. Outdoor saunas give you that spa retreat vibe, but are you really going to trek outside in a snowstorm? Indoor saunas offer convenience. You're more likely to use it regularly when it's just steps away. Consider your climate and honestly assess your habits. The right choice depends on your specific situation. What matters most to you, convenience or ambience? So drop your thoughts below. To see more videos like these, or our curated selection of saunas, heaters, plunges, and steam showers, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to visit us at saunaplace.com or give us a call at 931-516-6577. Our experts are here to guide you every step of the way. Sauna on, my friends.